3a minus 6 over 5a plus 10 divided by 4a minus 8 over 5. When you have a division of fractions, we want to follow this simple rule of keep, change, flip. Or more formally, we keep the first fraction and rewrite as a multiplication of the reciprocal of the second fraction. Now that we have it rewritten as a multiplication, we're going to see if we can factor and reduce. So 3a minus 6, I see that these both have a 3 in common. So if we factor the 3 out, we're left with a minus 2 in the parentheses. On the denominator, I can see that 5a plus 10, these both have a 5 in common. If we factor that out, we're left with a plus 2. For the second fraction, in the numerator, 5, that's only a single term, so that won't factor. Now our denominator, 4a minus 8, these both have a 4 in common. If we factor that out, we're left with a minus 2. Now that we have everything factored, we're going to see what reduces. So I'm going to go through one piece at a time. 3, I don't see anything in the denominator that can cancel with 3. So we'll move to the next term, the next factor. A minus 2, I see we have another a minus 2 in the denominator, so these are gone, they reduce out. Next up, the next factor up top is this 5. And I see we also have a 5 in the denominator, so these cancel. So let's rewrite what we have left. 3 over a plus 2 times 1 over 4. So now we'll multiply the numerators. So 3 times 1 is 3. And then multiply the denominators. So we have 4 times a plus 2. You can leave the answer in this form, or if you'd prefer, you can actually distribute in the denominator to have this as 3 over 4a plus 8. So either of these two is perfectly fine as your final answer.